on the TV show, let me just give you a high level. On the TV show, the contestants were presented with, let's say, a really elaborate cake by a professional baker. And they'll say, you have so many minutes to recreate this cake. And it never looks like the cake, of course, of the professional baker. So it's really funny to see what they come up with. So that's what similar to what we're going to be doing today. Except we're not going to have a pre-made decorated cake. You guys are going to come up with your own ideas, but you're going to design a PPL sourcing logo. So, and then I've got a note here, it says the logo that nailed it will be shared with the design team and possibly used on future PPL sourcing communication. So I don't know how you feel about that, but that sounds pretty serious to me. So it's really fun, you know, it's, some people are more competitive than others, but it's really a lot of fun. And let me kind of explain how we're going to, what the process is for this. The first thing we're going to do, which is in this room, and you all are already sitting with your designated teams, we're going to do a baker's choice. So this is spaghetti and marshmallow tower. I don't know if any of you have ever done that.
All right.